party and then support any candidate or ask for a ticket. No, I have come here to show that if we think correctly, if we think like the current times, if we keep the aspiration of the youth in our mind, there is no way that we can't do better. And this I have to set an example, because I want that when the youth look at me, like today when I look at the politicians who are in existence, I don't see whom I will look up to. But I want the kids of today's generation, even the generation which will come, to look at me and say that this is how I want to be a politician who is clean, who is honest. I'm saying this is not that I'm saying honesty has to, I know honesty has become such an abusive word now that people don't believe when it comes to honesty. They say, no, everybody says that once they win, they will eat money. I'm saying it on your face, and you will play this again and again in your YouTube channel, that when we say honesty, it begins with me. I have to set an example that how public fund is utilized penny by penny for the welfare of the people. I have no right whatsoever to take even a single penny, because we are paid salary. That salary belongs to us. Everything else belongs to the public. But if I take all the money and then I become rich in, see, now I suppose I am a candidate and I don't have anything. 5 years down the line, I will have multiple houses, now multiple cars, multiple flats, multiple land. Tell me, what kind of scheme is that? Tell us public that which kind of scheme you're investing, that in 5 years your income becomes 1,000 times higher. There is no such SIP, there is no such insurance scheme, there is no such investment that will kill. It means the politicians who are of today's time, I'm not blaming everyone. I'm very, very, very candid that I'm not generalizing, but by and large, most of them don't seem to be really bothered about the sorry state of affairs of our people. And hence, I have come with this determination that I stand for the poorest. I stand for the youth. I stand for the educated ones who are working day and night to make sure that they get good degrees, good higher grades. But after they get their degrees, where do they go? I see no scope whatsoever, and that's where I'm so much pain from inside as a teacher, because I've been seeing it over the years. Over the years, I've expressed it in my articles and so on and so forth. This is where I said that I got down with that hope. I'm not sure how far I'll be able to fulfill. But if people give me a chance, if they elect me as their MP, I will set an example for the entire state that this is how you're supposed to do politics. Politics is a serious business. You don't have to just get excited here and there because you listen to a song or a dance or somebody throw you a party. No. For me, politics, like academics, politics is also a serious business. And I take it with full seriousness. And that's why I'm leaving no stone unturned to try to reach to every nooks and corner. But I think you understand that as an independent candidate, I have my limitations. But I'm sure through your channel, through the media, this message will be passed on to every a free living citizen of this country and free living citizen of this state, because I worry, and that's what I'm saying. I have two-pronged strategy here when I have decided to fight this election. One is, of course, to bring the all-round development in our state, which has to be through an honest way whereby people can see what you are doing. Today, if you ask me, my MP, what he has done in the last 15 years, probably none of you will be able to say he has done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing. In my time, from day one, like I said, you will find a list of it. You know exactly where things has been done. You can visit and tell me, this estimate is you have made for 10 lakhs, but look like you have spent only 2 lakhs. Then I will be at fault. And that's why I'm saying, because when I write article and when I express myself, I cannot be the one only blaming others. I have to also set an example. And that's what I'm saying. In my regime, if anything that public finds it is not worth the estimate that I have done, you come and tell me, once I'm your MP, that you have eaten public money. And I'm saying it not to just send a wrong message here. I'm saying with full dedication and honesty that I will work like no one else have ever done. And this is what I'm saying. I want to set an example because I have a mission for next 15, 20 years. How exactly it will be panning out, that I will tell maybe after the election. But right now, I have set my eye very straight on the goal that if people put their faith in me, I will be able to do what needs to be done. More important, of course, is because you all know MP's job is in Delhi. Delhi is where you have to decide, because most of the time all the rules, regulations that will be coming and the kind of act and that will be created will be created in the floor of parliament, like we have seen in case of CA. And I have very serious reservation with CA, but it got passed in 2019 and the rules have come out just before election, which have two issues. One, it is eating away all our job prospects. Already this country, this state has poor ratio of job seekers to the jobs that are available.